So we have this folders over here.
Yes, sir.
So in Studio 33, let's say we have collections,
Okay.
and inside collections you'll find all of this.
Yes, sir.
So each one will have one SKU code,
Mhm.
and then we have products within it. So
Okay.
you'll see about this collection, you'll see here
Mhm.
in a text pad.
Okay.
So similarly, within everything, you'll find, let's say, sea green pink. You'll find the description. Okay, so you will have the description in markdown format, and over here, what you will see is, let's open VS Code. First time it will take time. So this one is the thing, okay, and you'll see all this is there. So till here it is okay. So let's see if this pure crep has been uploaded or not. If not, we will upload it. And simultaneously, I'll open ChatGPT. Okay.
Okay.
And in ChatGPT, we have this. This already has the context of what our business is doing,
Okay.
and what are the major like things inside it. What I need. Everything is here in the context.
Okay.
So what I'll do is here. Let's see if this is uploaded or not in the website. So pure crep pink. So let's see
Okay.
all products. So sea green is there. Sea green is there, very similar to this, but pink is not there. So here I will try to upload this over here. So now what I'll do is here I'll open this listing and I will say to ChatGPT, um, so till here I'll copy because till here is what you will write from
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
And what is here? It will describe the garment. What is the top? What is the bottom?
Yes.
What is the
Okay.
material type?
Okay.
What is the detailing? What is the neck type? Is it Chinese collar neck? What is the pant type? What is the floral print? Like she has the knowledge, but you need to ask the right questions.
Okay.
Okay, what is the sleeve type? Is it and what till what is it coming to knee 11? What is the sleeve is coming till 3/4, half, full, no sleeve? You need to ask all these questions and the sizes and
Okay.
regular fit, tight fit, like what you think of in a cloth, right? So now copy this and you can write make a Shopify listing in this format. Make a Shopify listing of the following garment. So here you will say this is SKU, this is collection, and then all of this is there. Okay, so then now what is the format that they want? So you will say, um, so I'm pressing shift enter in this format. So shift enter, and then I will put all of this. Okay, this is like a template. I'll give you a template file in this format, and 29 will be tags. Okay, and then I'll press enter. So it will make the e-commerce listing for me. So now I'll go ahead and add a new product. So I'll go to product, add a new product. And here I'll first choose what am I
What
doing.
does the
Okay, so here if you see this e-commerce, so it is not a collection. This is the category. So
yeah.
category will be either, so it will be,
Product price. Okay.
so it is not, this is not collection. Okay, collection we will link it later. I'll show you how to link it. This is Rangray's collection,
Okay.
but this is in general kurta and palazzo set.
Okay.
So you will say like kurta sets, something like this, printed because it has detailing and all that, right? Printed.
Yes.
So you can say printed kurtas, and then what did this generate? So you will copy all of this, okay, and you will remove certain things. Like you need to be aware of what they have generated, okay? So you need to
Okay.
check for mistakes. So you will put this Studio 33. Let's say, let's just copy paste, okay, a little bit, little by little, and I'll show you what am I filtering. So rung race collection, pure crap. So this I'll collection I'll add in the end, okay. Rung race collection. So this title looks okay to me, and selling price. So you consult with madam, okay. So um, you just MRP price and so let's say stock keeping unit is here. So she has all the stock keeping units with her in her notebook. Okay, and then selling price, let's just say we'll go ahead with whatever they are recommending, but later we need to visit all of them. But if like for small questions, I don't go and trouble her. So I'll just say 6,500 because I think ChatGPT already has my history, right? So it's giving me almost the right prices. I think she may want to be for 5,000 or 6,000, something like that. Let's say retail prices 9,000. Okay, I mean these are not accurate, okay? But then this should have like almost 40% more markup. So now the rest of it, where will you upload? You have a description. So in this product description, you will put this here. And now the rest of it from below M prices, fabric type onwards, you will do this and I will paste it here. So here, let's just revisit everything. So I will, what I'll remove this number because they are all incorrect. So here I will go and file new text file and I will just find any number, regex pattern, right? So any number which is ending with dot, but any two-digit number, and the first part should be new line. So then I will replace it with new line, and then one more thing is this dot has a space after it, right? So this one should be replaced by dash and this. So now let's see if this works. Yeah, this is okay. So now I'll copy everything. Now, huh? Yeah, yeah, hyphen is like a new topic, right? Like a bullet point. Okay, so bold this kurta type top. So also makes sense is whatever chat GPT is writing, is it making sense or not? Like look at the main description. Okay, it is kurta. Okay, it is definitely kurta. Bottom type is definitely palazzo. Okay, makes sense. Sleeve type 3/4. Yeah, it is 3/4. You just remember all these questions. Neckline and top length below knee length. Okay, so that means the kurta is going below the knee. Dupatta included. Is the dupatta included or not? Check the photo. Okay, looks like there's no dupatta included, so it's right. And here dupatta is not included, so let's remove that color. Pink, green, gray, yeah, it looks like that. Then size options is, yeah, okay, it's there, it's right. Fit type, regular fitting, yeah, it looks regular. There's tight fitting, there is loose fitting. Occasion types, yeah, looks okay. But then let's see, maybe festive, don't know. So you can, because it's not like very heavy, but it's light, right? It's not like red and gold and all of that. So let's say light festive. And this care instructions, mild detergent, do not bleach, hand wash separately. Okay. Floral print per palazzo. Okay. This looks right. Okay. And these are all fake models. Like these are not like real people. We have generated them. Sequence is there, yes. Occasion where is getting um, repeated. Keywords will not come here. Shipping details, do not commit any shipping, do not commit any return. No returns for anything. Okay, so no returns and keywords will come in a different area. Keywords will come bottom. So no returns. Okay, so I'll modify the template and give it to you. So don't talk about return. There is no return. So SEO keywords. For title, you can copy paste directly what ChatGPT has given you. Like it has all the brand name and everything. Okay, so it has brand name, rug race collection, everything is fine. Okay, SEO title. Okay, and it should be less than 100 characters. So now pure crep, pink, green. Let's remove and gray. Now it's fine. SEO description, I could put the same thing. And this also has 255 characters. Now specification, I'll choose material. And what is the top material? Now let's go back to the listing and let's answer the questions. What's the top material? Is we'll go back. Material type is already here. So pure crepe. Sleeve type 3/4 sleeve. And bottom type is palazzo. As per what you saw here. Or palazzo set. Okay. So top type is kurta. It's kurta written here. And neckline Chinese collar. Bottom material uh, pure crepe. Both are pure crepe. So dupatta type, no dupatta. Okay, so now this is here. Now we need to add attributes. Attribute means it is a size variation. We're going to sell three sizes, and each we only have one each. So L, XL, triple X. Like we have only stocked one item because we're just launching a new business. So everything will have one quantity. Okay, so whatever is the price that was written above, and then what we'll do is we have all of this, then images. So in images, typically we would have one model, the main images and the background removed, and also one with scenery. Okay, so if scenery is not there, you can add it. And you don't have to, I mean, if you don't have a particular image with the scenery, you can skip it. I'll do it later and you make a note. Okay, so let's make a note over here in a file called as feedback that that uh, image, no, image with the background is missing. So just make notes so that we know that what needs to be done in the future. So then, so like over here, there's background, there's model. So let's go to collection. No. Okay, so now we will upload this. So this one also, if you see, the handle is coming. We need to remove the handle. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and remove the handle. So then I'll click on cleanup and here, clean. And we can't upload the images just like that. We need to resize all of them because we have only 100 MB storage space. So see, it's cleaned up. So download it. Then we'll have a folder called as resized. Model is typically resized. Okay, so it's okay. So resized. So model, if you see, it's 550 kilobyte KB. So anything under 1 MB is okay. So what I'll do is here I'll go to downloads wherever it downloaded, and then I'll put this image. Let's see if this is resized. Yeah, 112 KB. It's okay. Yeah, this whatever's coming out of Clipdropper, it is resized. So this is resized. Now there is one more image, right, which needs that cleaning. So here, this one, I think this one is cleaned. Now this one, the front one, clean. I click on download. So now this is typically resized. That's why I'm directly pasting it here. And then now this and this is heavy, 12 MB. See, it's too much. So what I'll do is, yeah, try your best not to take broad images. Okay, try to take straight ones, and uh, like it should not be like spread. Try not to upload this then, but try to upload others. Like this is okay. Huh? Yeah, it should be like straight, like that feedback I got. So then what I'll do is now I'll open resizer application, some resizer app. There is a Windows resizer application. Um, so I'll go ahead and select these images, and then I will select things that I want to resize. So this is already resized. This I need to resize. This I need to resize, and maybe this one, maybe these two. So I'll click on open. Then I want to keep the aspect ratio. Okay, I want to keep the aspect ratio, and it's 2048. So 2 megapixel is okay with us. Click on save as, and it will ask you which folder you want to save. So I'll take this and resize, select folder. So it will keep resizing. Okay, so it will resize and keep it. Now this resize is what we will upload to the website, and then the model, and then the background removed. So background also, I'll just show you how to do it, basic background work. So I'll go to Canva, and then I'll open this fashion backdrop, and click on file, add page, and then I go to uploads and choose one background. Let's say this one, and then we will take one of this, let's say this one. I upload it here, and then I zoom in a little bit, close this. See. Okay, almost looks okay. And then now I'll download only page 3. Done. Download. So then this one is background is also ready. So let's remove that from the feedback. But then I'm just showing you that okay, you need to keep collecting here. And this also fashion background, control X, and I'll move it to here. It's not resized, it's slightly on the higher side. So I will resize this. Select images, fashion backdrop, 2048, but keep the aspect ratio because otherwise it will squish it in a different way. And save as in which folder? In the resize folder. If you want, there is something called as image magic. You can do it in command line. You can do it as a script. There is like just learn how to do that if you feel like. So now we have everything with us for this. So now I'll go back to the listing over here and click on upload images, and we'll go back to this one, resize. Then we will upload this, this. So first is front, back, then comes front, back of the background removed. Then you take the pants, and then you take this, and then you take the model. So model also, I'll show you how to get the model right. I'll show you an example of a model, and I'll click on save image order. And oh yeah, this should not be number one. The front part should be number one, then the back part, then the front background removed, then the back background removed, and then this is the back of. Hmm? They're looking the same, but if you see, the back is like this and the front is having this. Pants is front and back. If you want, you can only keep one because they are generally same. You can remove it if you feel like. I mean, if you miss it, it's okay. It's not a very significant thing. So click on save. It will upload, and the products are added. Now we need to link it to the collection. So if you see, this one is Rug Race collection. We will link it to Rug Race. So then what I will do is, while in the meanwhile, while this is happening, I go to uh, Meta, and I'll show you. And so this, I go to collections. This is Rung Race, and then in Rung Race, I will edit this, and I'll add this new garment. Okay. So you see the primary image is still not saved. You need to edit it again. So go to products and click on edit. I think you need to do this twice sometimes, I've seen. Because first time when you upload, it does not listen, and then second time it will listen. Okay, save image order. And I think now it should be okay. Okay, now it's fine. So then now this is there. So let's go to another listing and we'll try to generate a fashion model. So let's say I want to upload this one. Um, Go to collection and quad sets, and then uh, you have, let's say, blue flowy. Okay, this one. Okay, it has a model. Let's say lime green. Okay, this, we don't have enough photos. This one also we have a model. This one also we have a model. Okay. This one we don't have a model, right? Wide shots. So open. Okay. So over here you copy this, okay, and copy this, and then you go to Meta and generate uh, an image of a fashion model, middle-aged, Indian or Latino, whatever, Indian, uh, and then you can say wheatish and middle-aged Indian wheatish, um, medium size, wearing, and you paste all of this. Okay, wearing all of this. Short shirt. Okay, there's some error. 3/4 sleeve. Top is above knee length. Okay, so you are generating a model which is wearing a similar one. Now let it generate and let's open vModel. So this one, I mean, it's optional. You don't have to do it, but you can leave them to me if you feel like. But there is virtual try on, and so did we open? Yeah, we opened this one, and here we have this model. So generated this model. Face is cropped. Okay, I'll go to models. For models, and then what I'll do is I'll go here to be for fashion. I'll upload the same model and select dress and upload the image of the dress. So we were doing collection. Okay, and we will say actually it's better to upload the background remove. So what I will do is I will go to background image removal and browse for the photo, copy as path and browse for the file. Oh, okay, I need to authorize once. I need to select the right directory. Yeah, drag and drop is also there, but I need to select the right resource subscription and all of that. So I browse for the file and then I paste it. It is uploading it is removing the background. But I think this is like background is okay. It is, yeah. I mean, we are removing the background because we need to upload one without the background as well. So we need a white background, right? So there is background removal. This also is charged. Okay, so this also is charged. So here we'll write uh, wearing all of this. We'll write here. So over here, not everything got pasted. It has some limits. So just make sure what to remove now. Whatever is repeated, you can remove. And what did they remove? Let's see. Colorful and intricate work. Okay, that's okay. White shirt, short shirt with lehenga style. So I think this was repeated again. Uh, Top about knee length. And yeah, yeah. So loose bottom. Palazzo, three-fourths sleeve, colorful, um, and intricate work. Now we need to upload this image, whatever they have generated. So each one takes like half a minute in general. This one and this one may take 2 minutes. And then whatever you get it, you upload it. So first try to generate the model which is very approximate of that. Then you, uh, so I'll just forward this to you. Forward this to you. And then I'll add this backgrounding uh, to your email address. I'll also add a folder to your email address. So this one, copy email address, and I will add this, share this with you. Okay, edit access and share. Okay, so you have edit access to this file. So you can add backgrounds. And also there are other backgrounds as well. I'll just add a page, and I'll try to add other backgrounds. So here I'll go to collection, October backdrops. I'll just upload some random backdrops. So this is one example of a backdrop. And then you can use cleanup and remove the garment if you feel it's coming in between. You saw cleanup, right? So Clipdrop. Clipdrop is free of cost. Then this one is this is plain. Yeah, you can use this. You can like clone the page also. Clone the page, duplicate. Okay, and then okay, so this you have access. And now let's go to the background cleanup. What happened to it? Okay, so save as. So you saw this one. It didn't remove the plant. So let's remove the plant. Save image as, and now I'll put it here. So I'll just go to GIMP. GIMP you can do. You can also use Clipdrop. You can also use Canva also, and you can get it done. I mean, there are many ways. I'm just showing you all ways to get things done. Because GIMP is like locally running locally. It does not cost you anything. GIMP is like Photoshop, and Inkscape is also like Photoshop. So here I'll take the eraser, and I can even take this select tool and then delete. Delete. Now for other things you can use the eraser tool. So I can zoom in and change the brush size also. So first remove the selection. Uh, Select none. Then see. So, so see the hardness is very low. So you can select the hard brush and see it's now going. Okay. Now you can take a smaller size one and zoom in further and zoom in further and then take. Okay, so now almost gone, right? Let's remove the hanger also while it's there, because hanger it didn't come perfectly. Okay, let's save this. So you can actually click on file, export as pg remove plant remove. See, the plant looks pretty in for the website actually. Plant and the shirt, that's all. It's a different kind of generation. So see this one plant removed. So now we will use this in the fashion. So I'll select this, copy as path, and then I'll go here. So we've already put the description, upload an image, and now I'll click on generate. This one also uses 6 credits, okay, and it will generate the image whenever it feels like. But you got it right. So now what I'll do is I'll try to create a Google Drive folder and give you permission. Any doubts so far, whatever we have done? And one more thing is, every image we need tags. We forgot to add the tags. So here we need to add these tags. I think in this ChatGPT listing we have the tags generated, right? You see somewhere in between we have tags. Okay. So Studio 33. So let's just copy the tags one by one. You need to do this parallel thing, like while the AI is working, while it's generating it. The AI takes time, backgrounding, and so all the images are missing the tags. You need to add the tags. See, this is a bug, okay, where it just goes away. Festive wear was not copied. Okay, so now it's saved, and let's see if it's still there or not. Yeah, it's there. Okay, so looks okay. Save it. Now here, what did it do? Let's say we model. It kind of generated it well. So I'll click on download, and you need to, maybe change the prompt if the model did not generate it well. But if you generate a right model wearing the same dress, it will kind of, do the job. So let's go to here and paste it. Okay. I think it did an okay job of, but first see if is the dress same or not. Yeah, it's kind of same, but it looks slightly washed out. What do you think? Huh? Hmm? But it's the same, right? Yeah, yeah, it's also bright. I looking at a different screen. Okay, let's stop the recording.